Since 1963, Goodwill Industries of Alberta has been changing lives for the better through the power of work and the dignity of a job. Thanks to our community, we've become an award-winning not-for-profit enterprise and now one of the largest employers of people with disabilities in Western Canada. With retail operations in 6 cities across the province, Goodwill is proud to be expanding into a new city. This city is known for beautiful parks, is home to the International Children's Festival, and is rated as one of Canada's best places to live. Located along the Sturgeon River, we are proud to open in early 2021 a brand new Goodwill thrift store and donation center in North St. Albert. This new location is an opportunity for Goodwill to support community initiatives within St. Albert, including expanding our efforts in environmental stewardship. Goodwill not only diverts 90% of waste from landfills in the Edmonton region annually, but we find a way to give back as seen through our partnership with the Alberta Reads Network. With this partnership, volunteer groups come in to sort books that have been donated to Goodwill. The books are cleaned and readied for distribution into socially challenged areas in the capital city region, promoting literacy and education. Opening a new Goodwill thrift store and donation center in St. Albert is a proud moment for our organization as we look to support Albertans with disabilities with meaningful employment than ever before. Together we carry the torch on behalf of so many as we change lives for the better. And with St. Albert's track record of community development, diversity and inclusion, Goodwill couldn't be more proud or excited as we set our sights on opening Canada's newest Goodwill Centre of Excellence in St. Albert.